Hey guys, Mack with C3 Powersports. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your FORCEFIELD wraparound handguards onto C3 cooling unit bars. So getting started, what we'll do is we'll loosen off one of our top clamps. I currently have a 2-inch riser in my bars. C3 recommends that if you are using their C3 bar riser to change up your elastomeric bearings in the bottom there just so they're nice and tight and stiff. But this is a simple installation. It's as simple as removing your old top caps one at a time so your bars don't move, and installing our top caps. Make sure your gap on either side is nice and even so you have a good snug fit. Gaps just in your top clamp versus your factory mount. Get her good snugged up. It's time to grab our handguard. C3 has provided the right length of end bolt to be installed. If you do run one that's a little bit longer, you may run into issues where you push the plug out that seals the end of the bar. So always run your C3 bolt with your C3 heated handlebars. Next up in the process is your guard bolt. So we just slot that guy through there, nice and lined up. 12 mil, nope. 13 mil, get it snug. And then 5 mil Allen key for the bar end. And once you're done that, the same for the other side, and that's it.